There's a bird in my house. I don't know where the hell he came from. But me and Jack were laying in bed. And all of a sudden I see a bird just flying over the bed. So I'm trying to see. I think he's just trying to go through the window. Because of those two. Oop. Uh-oh. What are you doing, little guy? What are you doing? Come on, there you go. There we go. Nope, still going towards the window. Come on, go out the door.
Is he in my room?
Yep. Stay back, bud. That way he can maybe go out the door. Go to my room.
I have to go potty.
Okay. Come on, little guy. Might help if I lock those two up, huh? We're gonna try that. Let's try locking those two up. Oh, he went out. Where'd he go? Get that back. Where'd he go? Did he make it outside? Nope, he's in my room. Come on, little guy. Oh, he's trying to go towards the windows. Going toward light. Ah, there we go. All right. Bye, Harley. Well, that was fun. Well, definitely wasn't expecting that. Me and Jack were sleeping in, and all of a sudden, I see a bird fly right there. It was just like, what? I saw him jump across, jump over there, jump down here. I was like, the hell you come from? Because I don't have any open windows. So I don't know where this bird came from or how he got in the house. Because we don't have any open windows. He must have came through the dog door for some weird reason. Yeah, because I don't see anywhere that he could come in at. Let's see. Sorry, I had a pimple here and it's healing. Yeah, because I don't have anything in the... He must have just like barreled through there. Yeah, he would have had to have. He must have. Alright, well, that's me and Jack's morning adventure. Wasn't expecting that. So, hope you enjoyed. Bye.